Big Bang, then imagine that all around the outside edge of the paper were points representing all the different universes that could have resulted from the initial conditions that created our unique universe with its locked-in fine structure constant? And you may be surprised to hear that I'm willing to agree with that statement. From the initial conditions of our universe, we can get to any of the possible universes which the many worlds interpretation tells us really exist, just as real as the one we're observing. From anywhere else beyond the Big Bang, though, we're already seeing a paring away of possibilities. When one version of the universe is observed, the other universes are not. And causality shows us that this renders some of those other universes permanently inaccessible from that point forward on our entropy-driven line of time. How would you or I get to the universe where it's this point in time, which we call the 21st century, but dinosaurs never became extinct? Everett's theory tells us that a version of the universe must exist where dinosaurs are living and dying right now, and those dinosaurs are observing all the different versions of the universe where they still exist. So why can't you or I get there from here? In other words, if everything is probabilistic outcomes, why does it appear that there is zero possibility that the next possible now for us might include this dinosaur's world line? The answer is there is a missing degree of freedom. If you and I were within the sixth dimension rather than the fifth, then we would be able to leap across those different world lines and get to those other versions of the universe which are not causally connected to the one we're in right now. And as we said last time, this is because you and I are ants, not flies. Every instant that we observe is one Planck frame beyond the instant before, which gives us the impression that the fifth dimension is compactified or curled up on itself. If the fourth dimension is like the straight line of a garden hose stretched out on the ground, the fifth dimension is like an ant walking inside that hose, while a fly inside that hose would be able to flit from one location to another without having to worry about fifth dimensional causality. What we're talking about with this